Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well and fine at your home. So students, today in a continuation with the chapter Speed, Distance and Time, today we are here with some more questions related to speed, distance and time, and in which either you have to do some conversion, either you have to find the distance, time or some other unknown values. So let us take the questions and check out its solution one by one. The first question, find the distance if speed is 960 km per hour and time is of 1 hour and 50 minutes. So you have to find the distance covered by the body whose speed is given to us and time is known to us. So let's check out the solution. Very first, speed. What is speed given to us? Speed is 960 km per hour. So speed is given in kilometer per hour. Time is 1 hour and 50 minutes. So since speed is in kilometer per hour, so we need to convert minutes into its hour form. So for that it will be 1 hour plus converting 50 minutes to hour, dividing it by 60, so you'll get 1 hour and 5 upon 6 hours. So it is 5 upon 6 hours. If I'm converting this 5 upon 6 into improper fraction, so it is 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6 hours. So now we have converted our time 1 hour 50 minutes to completely into hours, and that is 11 upon 6 hours. Now let's calculate the distance. So what is the formula for distance when speed and time is given to us? Speed multiply by time. So distance is equals to speed multiply by time. Speed is 960 km per hour. Time is 11 upon 6 hours. So 6 dividing up here, 6 ones are 6. Let's divide here. 6 ones are 6, 36, 6 6 are 36 and is 0. So you'll get 160 multiplied by 11. Now multiplying the term here, so it is 160 and 160. So that will be 1760. And what is the term? The term is distance. So what will be the unit when speed is in kilometer per hour and time is in hours? So yes, the unit for the distance will be kilometers. So what is our distance covered? 1760 kilometers. Clear, students? Coming to the second question. In the second question, you have to find the time when distance and speed is given to us. Now the distance given to us is 8 meter and the speed given to us is 82 upon 5 centimeter per second. Now the problem is speed is given in centimeter per second and distance is in meter. So what we will do? We will convert centimeters to meter. We will not make any change to the seconds. We will simply convert centimeters to meter. So here if I will convert this into improper fraction, 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42 upon 5 centimeter per second. Now converting this centimeters to meter, how many centimeters makes 1 meter? 100 centimeter. And since we are converting a smaller unit to the bigger unit, centimeter is a smaller unit and we are converting it into bigger unit, so we will divide it by 100. So 42 upon 5 multiply by 100. This division is in denominator, so it will get multiplied by 5. Clear, students? So that will give you, when you will simplify, 2 21s and 2 50s. So that will be 21 upon 250 meter per second. So this is our speed in meter per second. Now you have to calculate the time. So what is the formula for calculating the time? So time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance 8 meter per second and the speed is 21 upon 250. Now we will reciprocate this denominator term since it is a fraction in the denominator, and let's reciprocate the term. So it will become 8 upon 21 and this 250 will go into the numerator. So 8 multiplied by 250 upon 21. Multiplying the value here, 0, 8 5s are 40, for here 2000 upon 21, and that is time in seconds. So this is your answer, 2000 upon 21 seconds. Now students, coming to the third question, in which an ant is moving at a speed of 12.5 centimeter per second. So the speed of movement of a ant is given to us, which is 12.5 centimeter per second. Find the distance covered by it in 5 hours. How much distance will it cover in 5 hours? That you have to calculate. So this kind of statement you can solve by using unitary method also. So in the unitary method, very first let's write the statement using the first statement given to us. The speed of ant is 12.5 centimeter per second. That means since speed is given to us 12.5 centimeter per second, and we have to find how much distance it will cover in time 5 hours. So if I write this statement, can we write this 12.5 centimeter covered in 1 second as distance covered in 1 second? So how much distance is covered by the ant in 1 second? 12.5 centimeter. This is the distance covered by the ant in just 1 second, 12.5 centimeter. Now, how much will be the distance covered by it in 60 seconds? How much distance it will cover in 60 seconds? So that will be 12.5 multiplied by 60. So when you will multiply the term here, you will get 6 5s are 30, 3 here, 6 2s are 12, plus 3 15, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6, 750 centimeter. So this is the distance covered by the ant in 60 seconds. And how much 60 seconds actually equals to? 60 seconds make 1 minute. So here you can say that distance covered in 1 minute is equals to 750 centimeter. So ant has covered 750 centimeter in 1 minute. Now after this, since we have to take this to hours, so now distance covered in 60 minutes. Why 60 minutes? Because 60 minutes will make 1 hour. 60 minutes, or you can write 1 hour. So that will be 750 multiplied by 60. So we will multiply it one more time by 60. So what we will get? 2 of the zeros. Then 6 5s are 30. 3 carry. 6 7s are 42 plus 3, that is 45 centimeter. So this is the distance. 45,000 centimeter is the distance covered by the ant in 1 hour. And how much time it has we have given to the ant? 5 hours. So we have to calculate how much distance will it cover in 5 hours. So last statement, distance covered in 5 hours. If ant is covering a distance of 45,000 centimeter in 1 hour, so how much will it cover in 5 hours? So that will be 45,000 multiplied by 5. 3 of the zeros. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 22 centimeter. Now this is our final answer. The distance covered by the ant in 5 hours is 2,25,000 centimeter. But it is seeming very difficult to read 2,25,000 centimeter. So what we will do? Let's convert this unit from centimeter to meters. So for converting it into meters, we will divide it by 100. So 2 of the zeros cancelled out. So that means the distance covered by the ant is 2250 meters. Even if you want to convert it into kilometers, so that will be 2 kilometers and 250 meters. That means to convert from meter to kilometer, once again divide the term by 1000. When you will divide this term by 1000, you will get 2 kilometers and 250 meters. So this is the distance covered by the ant in 5 hours. Clear, students? Coming to the fourth question, in which you have to find the speed of a train which leaves Mumbai at 8 p.m. and reaches Indore the next day 5 p.m. So there is a train which is starting from Mumbai at 8 p.m. and it is reaching Indore, the another station, by next day 5 p.m. It stops for 1 hour. Between Mumbai and Indore, it has taken a pause of 1 hour. It has stopped for 1 hour. You have to calculate the speed if the distance between Mumbai and Indore is 725 kilometers. So let's check out the solution very first. So the distance, how much is the distance between Indore and Mumbai? 725 kilometers. After that, now let's check out the timing. Time we can write the starting time. The starting time is 8 p.m. and then it has reached next day 5 p.m. and the ending time, or you can say the reaching time, is 5 p.m. and that is next day. So what will be the time? 8 p.m. today and 5 p.m. next day. So if I talk about 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. next day, there are 24 hours. Fine, but the train has reached 3 hours earlier only, as it has reached at 5 p.m. only. So 24 hours minus 3 hours, it will give us 21 hours. So the total time is of 21 hours. Now out of this 21 hours, the train has taken stop of 1 hour also. So that means subtracting 1 hour from here. So that means how much is the time taken to cover the distance of 725 kilometer? 20 hours. That means train took 20 hours to cover a distance of 725 kilometers from Mumbai to Indore. Clear, students? Now let's find out the speed of the train. So speed of train is equals to distance upon time. How much is the distance? 725 kilometers. And how much time it took? 20 hours. So dividing the value here, dividing by 5, 5 4s are 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are. So answer is 145 upon 4. If you want to divide it and further, you'll get the value in decimals. So 4 3s are 12, 25, 4 6s are 24, 1 0, decimal is here, 4 2s are 8, 2 and a 0, 4 5s are 20. So how much is the speed of the train? The speed of the train is 36.25 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the train from Mumbai to Indore, 36.25 kilometers per hour. So I hope all these questions and the solutions related to these questions are clear. Kindly go through the book exercise and complete the questions. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.